All right, y'all. Real quick, there's something I want to try out, and it's right here in this box. So y'all stick with me. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see it on here first because I might have a couple more different things I want to go. A couple more different ways I want to go at Ruckus. Wilding out, baby. You might wild out like buck berserk wild. So just stick with me. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what's in this box. What do y'all think about that? I need some better light down here. So, I don't know. What y'all think about that? Hey, get the hell off. All right, bam. What y'all think about that? Forward up turbo headers. Now, I got some clearance in the front. You know, but problem is they fit beautiful. They fit great. They forward. But the issue is my coolant reservoir. Now I'm gonna have to revamp and move that, which I got a spot idea I'm gonna move that at. And I'm gonna have to move my remote oil filter and maybe my catch can, which is cool because it's another spot I want to put the catch can. Remote oil filter, that's gonna be a trick. I'm gonna have to move it somewhere, you know, else. But all in all, y'all, on this damn light is blinding the hell out of me. All in all, y'all, is there. Now, the exhaust is gonna run this way. I don't know, I think I might run it this way out of a 90 down the fender exit, or run it here, take it back around, down, and under outside here or through a fender. If I do a fender, I'm gonna have to get a different fender. Y'all hit me in the comments, tell me what you think. Okay, this is the setup, y'all. This is how it's gonna look. Exhaust muffler right there, coming out turbo headers. I kind of like it. That's on one side. I gotta do modifications on this side, on this one. I'm gonna have to take it off, but I gotta get all my top pipe made up, and then I'm gonna take that off and take it to the exhaust shop and have somebody weld it nice, because if I weld it, it's gonna look like crap. But yeah, what you think? Let me know what it hit like. 4-inch exhaust, baby. Now I gotta finish up down here in this pipe, which I probably can't see enough light, but I gotta finish running this down and running it out, run it to my like fenders, run it down here, come out that way, out over here. But yeah, I kind of like that joker sitting up in the engine bay like that, because I was debating on what I was gonna do as far as the inner fender well. I was like, do I want to run the inner fender well, or do I want that joker to just sit and let everybody see what's there? Like, I kind of like that open look. So I can't wait to get his twin brother over here. I got a bunch of work to do over here. Get him running back the same way. So, yeah. All right, that's what we got, y'all. Forward on forwards. I just got it, bolted together with some little, band clamps for now until I get it where I want it. I'm gonna take it to somebody who's professional to TIG it. I got a TIG, but I'm not that good TIGging it. So I know my lane until I get that good. I'll just pay somebody to TIG it up for me. So, yeah. Got all the way down to there. I got max turn, actually. I thought that was gonna be too close, but my mark I put right here, It's right dead on point, so I always overshoot it so I have more later. But yeah, it goes down really nice. This is up at ride height. So I got plenty of room to drive up at ride height and turn the exhaust. Now I just got to get back here and build all this stuff out and make my piece come out here on the end. Yeah. And on this side, got a little bit busy today too. Move the coolant reservoir from here to over here. I'm 1 inch shy, so I'm gonna have to cut the elbow 1 inch shorter without having to cut this. I'm gonna try to go without cutting this. So that's where we at right there. Still got my swing linked in the inside. Coming up. That's fully mocked out right there. Feel this loud noise. And I got the other side half mocked out. Waiting on some 45s, of course. It's always hurry up and wait. So, hurry up and wait. So I gotta make this side here. Bring it down, 45 it. Another 45 with twist on my ester pipe. It's gonna bring me right down there at the bottom. Come out of that with my 90. All the way over. Knock it out. Knock it out, so yeah. So it's kind of mean with those. Two like bull horns. Yeah, he looking mean right there. So, yeah. I air it all out. Tires go in. I'm all the way aired out. I'm like half an inch from the exhaust over there. This one I'm gonna lower down another. I got another inch over here, but I'm gonna lower this down another ½ inch. So they're slightly off. Yeah, they slightly off, but that's okay. This one here, I got another long 45 and put it here and turn it up a little bit. Surprisingly or not, these are mufflers or resonators. It's gonna calm him down a little bit, but he's still gonna be aggressive and angry, which is what I like. Hopefully I got the surge like I want. So, coming out of this extension piece to even it up, bring it on down. So, yeah, there you go. Rock dog in effect. Let me see where I'm at. Can't see. Yeah. Ruckus in effect. So let's ride out for it. We'll see how it play out.